Hello friends, bonjour mes amis. Привет, друзья. Today is Saturday and today I'm going to explore three cities, Batavia, St. Charles and Geneva. Okay, so right now I am in Batavia downtown. I'm going to park somewhere and we'll have a little walk. Whew. Peace on earth. That's what we all need right now. Batavia was found in 1833 and it was a home of 6 American-style windmill manufacturing companies. And because of that, Batavia has a nickname, the Windmill City. So I changed my mind. My desire was to check 3 cities, but I decided to stop in Batavia and to spend a day here. It's a lovely downtown, plus it's a live music, and also I would like to have a walk along the river. And I saw a cute restaurant with a patio outside, so my intention is to have lunch there. And I decided to explore one city a day. So today is for Batavia. Batavia is a part of 3-city area with St. Charles and Geneva, and one of the interesting historical places in Batavia is Depot Museum. A lot of years ago, it was the main station in Batavia, train station. Here in front of me, you can see it. I'm going to explore it a little bit more. Hello. How much is the ticket?
It's completely free.
Oh, it's free.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's your first time in the museum?
It's my first time in Batavia downtown.
Oh, wow. Well,
yes.
Great to be here and welcome.
Thank you. And I'm a motorcycle vlogger. I'm trying to make some interesting film.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah.
We've got plenty of exhibits. We have our first main exhibit here is all about grocery stores in Batavia, how Batavians got their food. We have a railroad exhibit back there. With Batavia's railroad history, and then we have a whole exhibit here on Mary Todd Lincoln, the wife of Abraham Lincoln, who stayed in Batavia for a number of years.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yes. She stayed just a few, about a half mile from here. And then we have our full exhibit downstairs of everything from mastodons to ice cream trucks, the whole history of Batavia. So you're free to.
Okay, I will explore. I really love the exterior. It's in a perfect condition.
Oh,
so yeah, it's so like brand new. And yeah, it's interesting. And of course, you have a lot of historical things here. So yeah, I'll take my time and explore.
Yeah, plenty of artifacts. So explore at your own pace and let me know if you have any questions.
here you can see windmill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windmill. You remember the nickname of Batavia is the windmill city. Try number 2. I forgot to press the button. I'm going to check out the train. Now it's in a museum open for the public. When the Batavia depot was built in 1854, trains were of a most primitive nature. 2 men rode in the locomotive and not only ran it, but looked back from time to time to see that all the freight cars were coming along all right. The only brakes were on tender of the locomotive, and they were set by cranking a hand wheel. Rain changed my plans. My lunch will be inside instead of outside. And I think I have to wait until the rain is over because it's a long ride to my home. I need to ride home on the rain. I will be very careful. It's kind of cool right now. It's really freezing and very cold. And I guess by the time I get home, I will be completely wet. But I cannot do anything, you know. I cannot predict the weather. So, see you. I'm leaving the city of energy, the rainy city of energy. This is actually the second nickname of Batavia, and Batavia received this nickname in 1970 after here yes, and Batavia have received this name after in 1970 a Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory was opened, Fermi Lab. It's located a little bit outside of Batavia, but it's related to Batavia. And I have a friend who works at Fermi Lab, and he promised a tour inside of Fermi Lab laboratory, but I think it's in another life, I guess. Whew. It was a fun day, but my plans were interrupted by the rain, and my GPS shows that it's around 35 minutes until to my house. Oh, this is so cold, unbelievable cold and wet right now. I don't know if I able to speak and to talk about myself, because I planned to talk a little bit about myself, to continue a story, to show the connection, me, Russia, United States, talk about my business that I started in 2008. But it seems to me maybe next day, I'm going to explore St. Charles. I'll check the weather double time, and I'll make sure that it will be sunny and without rain, because it's not possible for me to speak right now. So I'm really hot, cold, I mean. Okay, I think I need to stop somewhere here to wipe my helmet. I cannot see anything. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm just right here for a couple of seconds. Okay. Whew. That's not easy. Whew. Thanks for watching me. Like, comment, support me, subscribe, and it's a jacuzzi time for me. See you next time. Bye.